Do you know 3D printing? 3D printing is a revolutionary technology that allows creating three-dimensional objects from a digital design. This technology has enormous potential to transform manufacturing and other sectors, offering advantages such as customization, waste reduction, and innovation. According to several reports, the global 3D printing market is booming and expected to grow at an impressive rate in the coming years. For example, a report by Morder Intelligence estimates that the market will reach $124.24 billion by 2032, with a compound annual growth rate of 22.1%. This is why billionaire Jeff Bezos decided to invest in this technology. He wants everyone to have access to a 3D printer in their own homes and plans to sell them through Amazon. This initiative marks a significant milestone in the widespread adoption of 3D printing and underscores its importance in the future of manufacturing and consumption. However, although this technology promises an exciting future, there is a problem that many companies and hobbyists face: filaments. But what are filaments? Filaments are the plastic materials used in FDM 3D printers to create three-dimensional objects. Although this technology has advanced significantly in recent years, the ease of printing and the environmental impact of filaments remain a concern for many users. I am Vicenzo Vecchio, student from Uruguay, passionate about electronics and 3D printing. I'm here to offer a solution to this big problem we're facing and will face in the future. This is my project, EcoPET3D. A revolutionary project dedicated to transforming PET plastic bottles into 3D printing filament that anyone can easily print with. With EcoPET3D, we're not only reducing plastic pollution but also fostering creativity and sustainability in the world of 3D printing. The process of filament current manufacturing begins with the extraction of crude oil from underground reservoirs through drilling and extraction. The crude oil is then refined in a refinery to separate its components, including the hydrocarbons needed for plastics production. These hydrocarbons undergo cracking and polymerization to form plastic resins, which are molded and granulated into pellets. These pellets are fed into an extruder, where they are melted and extruded through a nozzle to form a continuous thread. After rapid cooling, the thread is cut into specific lengths and undergoes quality controls before packaging and distribution. Currently, the 3D printing filament market resembles a red ocean, where competition is intense and many brands offer similar products. However, it is important to note that this competition does not necessarily translate into significant innovation. We have conducted a comparative analysis of some of the most recognized brands in the world of 3D printing, including Creality 3D, Amazon Basic, MakerBot, eSun, and Ninja Flex. These companies tend to target an audience with a high level of knowledge in 3D printing, such as engineers, designers, and makers, without forgetting people who print as a hobby. However, this leaves out those who want to print with simple and uncomplicated filaments but lack previous experience in this field. Additionally, it is important to note that many of these companies are not prioritizing environmental impact in the manufacturing and disposal of their products, representing a missed opportunity to address increasingly important concerns about sustainability. It is for this reason that EcoPET3D. We eliminate the negative environmental impact and the printing difficulty for beginners. We raise the quality including durability and finishes when printing, since the material with which the bottles are made has better quality than the one currently used. We reduce the variety of colors, since our target audience is not too interested in the technicality in terms of colors and price, since, as calculated, the collection of bottles and the recycling process is cheaper than that used by the current market. And we create recycled filaments that are easy to use by people without experience. This is a table where we show the difference of our market with the current one. With all these characteristics, we focus on a market that the current market does not cover, being the people who tried printing and those never considered. The idea for EcoPET3D came from my passion for 3D printing. At first, I had a hard time differentiating my custom prints from the competition. Searching for innovation, I came across a blog post that described a rudimentary method for making filaments from recycled PET bottles. Intrigued, I decided to pursue this idea, only to discover that the process was incredibly challenging. Undeterred, I decided to design a machine to automate and simplify filament production. This machine, the heart of EcoPET3D, melts plastic from pre-cut bottles, transforming it into high-quality filament. By reducing labor, increasing efficiency, and ensuring consistent quality, the machine significantly increased my 3D printing sales. I currently work with PET bottle collection centers and manufacture filament on a small scale and sell it online with great success. EcoPET3D represents a revolutionary leap in filament production, offering recycled PET plastic filaments that are sustainable and easy to use.